Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we are delving into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 24th, 2025, our system has ranked TQQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.16. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has faced a loss of negative 40.46%. This amounts to an average loss of negative 0.96% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a wide and declining short-term trend upward. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may very well serve as an early signal of a shift in trend. Following this reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the recently breached trend, which is $45.49. This level may present a second opportunity for a significant upward move. According to fan theory, $59.99 is expected to be the next potential peak of the trend, thus establishing a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 51.49% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 68.72% to negative 54.08%. Looking at a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 5.05%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 14.56% to 107.39% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $41.05 and $99.65. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, TQQQ ETF price up more than 6.64% on Wednesday. The TQQQ ETF price gained 6.64% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, rising from $45.06 to $48.05. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated 6.71% with a low of $47.63 and a high of $50.83. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 23.52% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 30 million more shares were traded than the day before. Overall, 151 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.23 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79, while the lowest price was $35. Currently, the price is 48.77% or $45.74 below the 52-week high and 70.48%. We're $114.74 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $162.79. The ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ, known by its ticker TQQQ, is experiencing a significant surge today alongside notable exchange-traded funds like the iShares Ethereum Trust and VanEck Semiconductor ETF. This positive movement can be attributed to overall market optimism, particularly concerning the technology sector. Amid a backdrop of recent market volatility, TQQQ has emerged as a strong contender for growth, especially for long-term investors focused on artificial intelligence-driven technology stocks, often referred to as the Magnificent Seven, including giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia. These companies are expected to benefit immensely from ongoing advancements in artificial intelligence, which positions TQQQ favorably for substantial growth ahead. The current valuation drop in TQQQ, paired with an increased focus on AI, presents a compelling buying opportunity for risk-tolerant investors. However, it is essential to be cautious, given the inherent risks associated with leveraged exchange-traded funds, particularly during periods of market fluctuations. In the short term, the spike in popularity and investment inflows into TQQQ may drive its stock price higher. If the momentum continues, TQQQ could rebound from its recent lows. In the long term, sustained growth in the technology sector and advancements in artificial intelligence could further solidify TQQQ's position as a leading investment vehicle in the leveraged exchange-traded fund space. But investors should remain vigilant of market conditions and inherent risks. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. The TQQQ ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the ETF, resulting in a more negative outlook. If the ETF gains further, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $55.72. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $46.40. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would trigger an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 9, 2025, and so far, it has experienced a decline of 8.67%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 43 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 22 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 42 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. TQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $46.14. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.20 between its high and low, which amounts to 6.71%. In the past week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.48%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $48.58. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $46.14. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? TQQQ currently displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have adjusted our evaluation of this ETF from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we anticipate that TQQQ will open higher by approximately 78.5 cents, starting at a price of $48.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.